I stand before you today with profound sorrow as we mourn the untimely passing of an outstanding and dynamic leader, Punong Barangay Marlon D. Palitayan of San Francisco Sur, Sudipan, La Union, who left us far too soon at a young age. Punong Barangay Palitayan has served as Barangay Kagawad from 2018 to 2020 and Punong Barangay from 2020 to present. During his years in public service, Punong Barangay Palitayan embodied the true meaning of loyalty, dedication, and commitment. With tireless effort and sincere intention, he supported the local government in its mission to respond to the needs and aspirations of the community, both through effective implementation and meaningful legislation. With his untimely death, he left his family, friends, and the whole community in sorrow. With this, Mr. Presiding Officer, my dear colleagues, to show our deepest sympathies, I would like to pass a resolution for Punong Barangay Palitayan that will be taken later during the unassigned business. Thank you, Mr. Presiding Officer.